Hi, Mint's Math, it must be Maths by MEA. Welcome again to the world of Maths by MEA. So there is a question in front of you under the geometry daily dose. I would say please pause the video and try to solve this question. So I hope you have solved with the help of basic constructions and the geometry. Now check the solution. We have triangle ABC in which AC and BD are given. So sort of something of two equal lines is the similarity, congruency or something else. And angle ACD, angle DCB and ABC are in the ratio given. So if we have a ratio, we can write this one is 3x, this one is 5x, that is the DCB, and ABC is nothing but 2x. So whenever we have angle and difference of this angle and these two lines are same, this must be nothing but 2x. If we have AC equal to BC and equal to BD, then difference of these two angles should come here. I'll give you the proof. So we have nothing but 2x plus 2x is nothing but 4x and 8x. Total is nothing but 12x, and the summation of all angles, which one is 12x, is 180 degree. So x is nothing but 15 degree. So we have this angle is 30 degree. This angle is 45 degree. This angle must be 75 degree, and this one is our answer. So this one is 75 degree. You can say this one is 30 degree. 15 5 just 75 degree is the complete angle of this triangle. So I'm just repeating. If you have AC equal to BD and difference of these two should come here, then this angle must be the same. So check the property again. If you have AC equal to BD and if say this angle is X and this angle is Y and this angle is nothing but X minus Y and these two lines are same, it is given. If this one is given, then you must know this angle is also X minus Y. This one is the outcome. If this one is given, this one is given and this one is given, so this angle is the outcome. Or even if this one is given, this angle is outcome under the condition these two are the same. So I would say please pause the video, take the screenshot, save this screenshot, or follow me on these social handle sites. I'm going to share the screenshots. So this one is what you must know. Now it's time for the proof. If under the condition AC equal to DB, where the CD is Cevians, we are getting angles nothing but X and Y on the vertex, and the angle is nothing but X minus Y. The one of the angle is X minus Y. Then the another angle should also be X minus Y. It's time for the proof. By the D point, we need to create a line. So say that we have created a line DE. If this one is 30, 60, 90, we have to create a 90 degree angle. But this one is two side equal condition, create an isosceles triangle. If this angle is X, we know this angle must be X because these two lines are the same, base angles are same. If this one is X, what is this? This one is X minus Y. So we can say this angle is nothing but Y because summation of remote angles is nothing but exterior angle. Now check, say this one is S1, this one is S1, this one is S2, that is CD line is S2, this one is S2 and this one is angle. So we can say side angle side property are ACD is congruent to ACD is congruent to, we have nothing but the angle is D, here the angle is C, and the AC is equal to BD. So this one is BDE. So we have congruency. So can we say in front of S2 line or corresponding S2 angle is X minus Y, S2 angle is nothing but X minus Y. So this one is the proof of this question. So you can take the screenshot again. Under the condition AC is equal to BD and this angle or this angle is difference of these two angles. So we can say, so ABC is also an isosceles triangle with angle A is equal to angle B and AC is equal to BC. So this one is the proof. What I said, if the difference of these two comes here means both angles are same, and by the 180 property we can find all the angles. So this one is the proof and the concept behind our daily dose. Now it's time to solve a question for the practice person. So as per our custom, this one is the homework and the practice. You have a question in front of you. I would say please pause the video, try to read the question, understand the condition and solve the question and find the value of ACB. Fine. At the last, I want to say, if you have not subscribed the channel, must subscribe, press the bell icon to get the best questions, best concepts, best learnings from the channel. And these are my social handles. You can follow me there. God bless you. Happy learning and bye-bye.